Hello, this is Paul. I'm going to work on assembling one of my dulcimers. So there's a gap between the fretboard and the two side top pieces, and there's a draw out space to allow the sound to be louder. And there's a space here that needs to be covered. To do that on my dulcimer, it has to match this slot, so the top piece fits flush and then the fret sits on top of this, and then I saw it off. I need to adjust the spacing of however wide I'm going to make the dulcimer, and then I have kerfing that I need to glue in the top. So I pre-stained the mahogany, the dark red mahogany, and then it will fit in the top like that, but it's too long in the back, so I have to be able to cut the top piece off, but leave 1/8 of an inch for the overlap so it'll match. But before I do that, I need to install the kerfing. So I went to Harbor Freight this morning and bought these little clamps because they are on sale. And the clamps that I bought, I think the tension from Lowe's, I think the tension is too tight. It's going to pinch or dent my wood for the dulcimer. But I think the Harbor Freight ones aren't as tight, so they should work okay.